friends, my name is Rushikesh Jalindar Yadav and I will discuss this topic in array list and linked list in Java. The class uses a dynamic array to store the element in it. When the introduction of generics, this class supports the storage of all type of object and a linked list. The class uses a W linked list to store the element in it. Similar to the array list, this class also supports the storage of all type of object. And second, array list manipulating takes more time due to the internal implementation. Whenever we remove and implement, internally the array travels and the memory gets the shift. Manipulating the linked list take less time compared to array list. In a double linked list, there is no concept of shifting to memory bit. The list is travels and the reference link is changed. And third is efficient memory utilization and good memory utilization. Fourth, it can be one, two, or more multidimensional, and it can either be single, double, or circular linked list. Fifth, insertion operation is slow, and insertion operation is fast. Sixth is class implementation list interface, therefore this act as it the list. This class implementation both the list interface and the DQ interface, therefore it can act list and the DQ. Seven, this class work better when the application demand storing the data and accessing it. This class work better when the application demands manipulation of the stored data. And next, data access and storage is very efficient as it store the element according to the index. Data access and storage is slow in linked list. And next, deletion question is not very efficient, and deletion operation is very efficient. And next, it is used to store only similar type of data. It is used to store any type of data. Less memory is used and more memory is used. Next is the memory is allocated of compile time only. The memory is allocated at runtime. This is known as static memory allocation. This is known as dynamic memory allocation. Array list is an implementation of the list interface that use an array to store the element. It has a fast index access time, which means that retrieving element from array list by index is very quick. When the rate of addition of removal rate is more than the rate scenarios, the go for the linked list. On the other hand, when the frequency of the read scenario is more than the addition of removal rate, the array list takes precedence over linked list. Thank you.